Hey everyone, for today's read aloud, I chose one of my new favorite books. It's called If I Had a Dinosaur. It's written by Alex Barrow and Gabby Dawnay. And the reason I chose this book is because we're learning all about opinions. And the girl in this story is giving her opinion about why she wants a dinosaur or what she would do if she had a dinosaur. Now, what's really interesting on the inside here, it gives you a little background information. This is a Titanosaurus, okay? And it was the largest known animal ever to walk the earth. It was longer than 4 London buses, and it would have weighed more than 10 African elephants. So this little girl doesn't want just a small dinosaur. She wants the biggest dinosaur that ever roamed the earth. Here we go. I do like dogs. I've got a cat. A fish is far too wet because you see, I really want a different sort of pet. I thought about a hamster. I thought about a mouse. But I want a pet much bigger. More the size of, well, a house. I really want a giant pet, enormous, big, and strong, with a body broad and solid, and a tail that's super long. Oh, if I had a dinosaur, I'd teach him lots of tricks, like how to roll and how to sit and fetch and carry sticks. I really like how the author made the words grow swirly like the tail. Look at this page. If I had a dinosaur, I'd walk him in the park. I wonder if my dinosaur would roar, or would he bark? If I had a dinosaur, he'd carry me to school, and all my friends would shout, "Oh, wow, your dinosaur is cool." Think about if we had a dinosaur like that out on our playground at Madison. Wouldn't that be fun? My dinosaur would learn to count and say the alphabet, and all the teachers would declare, "Why, what a clever pet." Do you think he would fit in our classroom? Dinosaurs need water. I think they like to swim. I'd have to dig a massive pond and fill it to the brim. Look at all the food. If I had a dinosaur, I'd feed him lots of greens, like cabbages and broccoli, to keep him full of beans. Looks like she's taking him for a walk. Dinosaurs make smashing pets, as dinosaurs can do. Much better stuff than dogs or cats. Just watch out for the poo. That would be one bad thing about having such a big pet. If I had a dinosaur, I'd get a dino flap so he could come inside my house and take a little nap. Our sofa is enormous. It's big enough for 4, just perfect for a sleepy sort of friendly dinosaur. They are sitting on the couch. I wish I had a dinosaur to cuddle up at night, to read a bedtime story with, and give my dad a fright. She snuck up with the dinosaur, and the dad's like, "Oh my goodness. Look how big of a brush she would need to brush his teeth." Yes, dinosaurs make awesome pets. I'm sure you will agree that all of the pets, they are the best. Just get one and you will see. The end. Now I want to know your opinion. Would a dinosaur make a good pet? Yes or no? Remember, use that word because. If you want, have your grown-up type in our comment section, or even record yourself doing a little video saying, "I would want a dinosaur because," or "I don't want a dinosaur because." Can't wait to hear your responses.